Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install TailsOS 7.2 on VirtualBox. Okay, first go to TailsOS official website and download. It is tails.net. Then click on install Tails. See here, the latest version at the time of making this video is 7.2. Then click on this burning a Tails DVD. Click on download TailsOS ISO image or download by using BitTorrent. This is direct method. Click on either of them. See, download started. Go to download. See here, the size is about 1.9 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once the download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox, then search for my YouTube channel how to install VirtualBox on Windows or Linux operating systems. Now click on new or machine and select new to create new virtual machine. Then provide the name for the virtual machine. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the folder to store this virtual machine files and folders. And this is the default location. If you want some other location, click on drop down and select the location. Select the location where you have the enough space. Then select the downloaded ISO image by clicking on this drop down button. See, once we selected, why change it to Linux, OS distribution to Debian because Tails is based on Debian and OS version Debian 64-bit. Don't select this, proceed with unattended installation. Then go to hardware. I am giving 4 gigabytes memory. Number of CPU equals to, these are based on availability. Virtual hard disk size I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click and select settings or select it and click on settings. Okay, if you are okay with all the settings, select it and click on start to start the installation of the TailsOS 7.2 on VirtualBox. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is Tails 7.2, and hit enter. See, these are default settings. Suppose if you want to configure language, keyboard, layout or formats, you have to click on them. I am okay with these defaults. Okay, then persistent storage. If you want to create persistent storage, you have to select this on. Otherwise, unselect it and see here additional settings. Click on this plus button. See, these are the default values for these parameters. Okay, I want to set the administration password. Later we need this password. Remember this one. Then click on add. Remaining options I am going with defaults. Okay, so cancel it. If you review the settings one more time, if you are okay with all the settings, then click on start Tails. See, tar connection. If you want to connect tar automatically, you have to select this one. If you want to configure the tar bridge, you have to select this one. Okay, I want to connect to tar automatically, so select it and click on connect to tar. See, it is connecting tar. Now go to all applications. See here we have these applications. Now open terminal or console. Now verify the version more /etc os-release. See, we have installed TailsOS 7.2. Okay, the first step after connecting to TailsOS 7.2 is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update && sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of the administration that we have set. Okay, this will take time. See, it's connected to tar successfully. Now open the tar browser by clicking on this start tar browser. See, we have successfully connected to tar and default search engine for tar browser is DuckDuckGo. Verify the version of the tar browser. Help about tar browser. See, this is the latest version. Okay, so this updation will take time. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install TailsOS 7.2 on VirtualBox. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.